Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can integrate your app with ConsoliAds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to know how to integrate ConsoliAds SDK in native iOS app. First, sign into your ConsoliAds account. Then, download the mediation SDKs and sample project from the portal. Now, let's open the sample project. Here, make your own folders in sample app for frameworks and mediation files, and then paste all files there. Go to build folder and open mediation test.xcode project file in Xcode. Now you need to create your app on portal. So for that, go to apps and then new app. Here, you will find two options. You can either import an app directly from store by entering its URL, package name or app ID, or you can click create manually and fill in all the details and click save. Now, you will need to choose a brand. Brands are basically containers for apps. You can either choose one from existing brands or create a new one. Now that you've filled in all the details, go ahead and save it. Now your app is successfully created on portal. Just go ahead and click finish. As you can see, it says that it is not integrated yet. So for that, you need to configure server. After creating your app and adding all the dependencies, you just need to configure server. Configure server basically syncs our project with the app we just created on portal. Now, I'll just go to configure server section in our documentation. We need the following things to successfully configure server. Those are user signature, app package, and platform. In order to get these, click on your name and then go to personal info in top right corner and copy the user signature. The app package and platform, you can get it from the app details. Now that you have gathered all the information, just simply open terminal, copy and paste the following line there. Set app name and bundle identifier in config.m file. As this is the sample project, I've already added all the calls in my code to successfully show ads. As you can see here, I'm using the product name and bundle identifier from my config.m class and the line ConsoliAds mediation, share instance, initialize with user consent to initialize the ConsoliAds mediation. Furthermore, in order to show ad of any type, we will go to the relevant section in the documentation and copy the required line of code and paste it accordingly. To know more about all these calls, please refer to our documentation. Finally, go to the placeholder and ads tab to add some ads for each ad type and build your project. Please add details for each ad format. When in placeholders and ads tab, select the ad type that you want to add. Then, go to the relevant scene. Click New Ad, choose the ad network of your choice, select Region, and click Save. As this is the sample project, I've already written all the different required calls to load show ads. So you need to add all the required calls to your code to successfully show ads. After adding different ads to my scene, I'll go ahead, build my project, and run on a mobile device. I've set the scene index to 0. Now, I'll simply click init ConsoliAds to initialize the SDK, then simply click Show Interstitial to show an interstitial ad.